everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making vanilla meringues. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. Two important things to pay attention to before starting. You need to make sure there's only egg whites in your bowl. If there is a little egg yolk that fell in, the meringue might not work. And it is important that you use a whisk attachment because otherwise the eggs won't stiffen like we want them to. Now to start, I'm going to put my egg whites into the bowl of my stand mixer with a whisk attachment. I'm going to mix this on high. While it's mixing, I'm going to put in the cream of tartar. It's sticking to the sides of my bowl, so I'm going to scrape down my bowl delicately with my rubber spatula so it will mix in. I'm going to turn the mixer back on and mix it until the cream of tartar is mixed in. Then I'm going to add in my sugar slowly as well. I'm going to mix this until it is white and makes stiff peaks. As you can see, when I remove the mixer attachment, the peaks aren't stiff enough yet, so I'm going to mix it a little longer. It is important that you don't overmix it either, because then it will become liquid again. The peaks look very stiff now, so let's move on to the next step. Now I'm going to scoop the meringues. To do this, I'm using a 1.5 tablespoon ice cream scoop. My oven's preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I'm going to put my meringues into the oven and lower the temperature to 250 degrees Fahrenheit to bake for an hour. Then, turn off the oven, but leave them in to cool completely. When they're done, they will seem dry, light, and crisp. They shouldn't be sticky at all. I baked vanilla meringues and raspberry meringues together. They have the same bake time and bake temperature. Place them onto a cooling rack so they can cool. And my meringues are done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!